Okay, guys, just wanted to do a quick video on how to sign up for our subscription since there seems some people were having some trouble with it. So I just thought I'd walk you through it. Once you go to airmid.com, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom down here and click Join Today. We do have an affiliate program if you're interested in that, but you don't have to really fill out all this stuff. You'll fill out a username. You will create a password, confirm your password. You don't need to put in a name of referral. You will need to put in your email. You don't need to do payment email or website. Just your first, last name, and phone number. Hit submit. After you do that, you can come up here and log in. Let's see here. All right, so you will hit login. All right, here's your dashboard. So if you're wanting to cancel your subscription at any point, you simply come over here, click on the subscriptions tab, and you can opt out of your subscription for whatever reason you decide that you don't want to be a part of it anymore. You get too much of it, or whatever your reason is, you can cancel at any time right there. But yeah, you'll just go here, go to our store, and you'll click on the monthly option. And you will select whether you want full spectrum or THC free. Once you do that, you will click buy now. All right, so it's been added to our cart. We'll click view cart. And if you have a promo code of any kind, you'll enter it here. Let's see here. We'll use the code try me, and that'll get your first subscription bottle for free. You'll just hit apply coupon. So now we go down here, remove $30. Your total is $0. You will need to calculate your shipping once you proceed. It's just telling you that you are signing up for a subscription. It's $30 a month. For instance, if you signed up today, your first renewal would be a month from now. You'll fill out your billing information, shipping if it's different, and just go through and complete the product like you normally would. So it's just like any other online store. You'll enter your credit card information. All this stuff will be saved, and you'll just move on just like any other online store. So if you have any questions, let me know. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you.